Here we go, gonna unbox the chainsaw for you, okay? This video is not gonna be a cold start, all right? I'll tell you why. I don't want to put gas in this until I need it, all right? Because I don't think I'm gonna use it until maybe, you know, a hurricane comes or something, I don't know. Hang on, let me back y'all up a little bit. Don't really have anything to use it for right now. Just gonna unbox it. Check it out, you know. It's an 18-inch Poulan Pro. Holy shit. It's got boxed up all right. Got an extra chain in there, an Oregon chain, got some synthetic two-stroke oil, but I bet you it didn't come with any bar oil, so I wouldn't have been able to use it anyhow. Check it out. Why they have that other hole in there, I don't know. Probably got bar oil in it. Nope, dead dry. Anyway, no assembly required, y'all. It looks like it's ready to go. It's got a tool-less chain tensioner. Yeah. I saw. Got a brake on it. Not too heavy. It's spring. It's got springs all over the mount, so it you know, takes away some of the vibration. But it's a lot of plastic. There's a whole lot of plastic parts here. I don't know about that. We'll see. We'll see. Alright, y'all. I hope you like that. That was the unboxing of it. I'll be sure to record the startup when we decide to start her up. Alright? Hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the chainsaw. Wasn't a whole lot to it, was it? Bye.